to one's success. While we must live by the adage that one must always be humble in victory and gracious in defeat, pakinggan niyo po ito. Defeat or failure must be made temporary. Kahit na po barbero ka, kahit mekaniko ka, o kahit ano ka pa man. Once again, you have to dare to fail, but commit to reaching the goal. And sooner or later, you will make it. Yan po ang tinatawag na never say die. Never. So mga kababayan, emosyon po ako. Ito po ang pagkatao ko. Pasensya na po kayo. But sana po, eto na po. My sincerest thanks to all my former coaches and their staff, like Ma'am Legaspi, Kudya, June, Turo, Ray, the team managers, the team owners, and all my wonderful teammates and great competitors for their many treasured moments and relations we shared in my past. I can never forget the likes of Mr. Dante Silverio, the late Pablo Carlos, the Ortega clan, Kichi Benedicto, Boots Sikia, Boy, Mr. Caloy Lasaga, Mr. Lauro Omar, Mr. Tito Iduque, Mr. Nino Verona, Mr. Felo Fajardo, Mr. and Mrs. Manolo Lopez and his siblings and their father, the late Don Eugenio Lopez Sr., Jogging Gona, Noyo Ledesma, Ramoncito Campos, Don Manolo Elizalde, Mr. Andy Soriano, the Palanca family, Evie and other siblings, especially Honey Boy Palanca, who gave me the distinct honor to be the playing coach of Ginebra San Miguel. And of course, Ambassador Tandinco Juanco and family, Don Emilio Yap, former President Erap and the late FPJ, who are true-blooded players and fans of basketball. Grabe po yan. Mr. Bernabaro, Mr. Francisco Esmendi, George, Renato and Hamichua, June Bernardino, Bert Lina, Lito Alvarez, Tony Concepcion, of course, Justice Kit Villaruz, Art, Adolf Ferrer, Dr. Efren de los Santos, Juan Cutillas, Dr. Tyron Reyes, Marshall Coho, Congressman Gonzalo Puyat. At ito naman po, nakakatuwa rin. Kahit na marami po kaming istorya, ito po ang gumawa po sa aking coach para sa national team. At ito po nga palang isa, lumabas na din lamang ito. I had so many battles in this smart Araneta Coliseum and so many games to remember. But I tell you, the greatest honor came when I was made representative of this country in those international competitions for a long, long time, and which were very successful. Kaya po nagpapasalamat po sa kanya. And of course, who would forget na yung po nag-umpisa, kaya po ngayon nandito na. Sobra-sobra na ang ganda ng mga television camera, si Bobong Velez. And last but not the least, hindi po ba tama? My father-in-law, Ramon Levilla, who came into my aid at one time when I had some controversy in my basketball career. These are just to name a few, but also a special mention goes out to the media practitioners, without whom wala din po tayo dito ngayon. Because they're the ones who have helped mold the sport into what it is today. Sa inyo pong maraming salamat, lalo na po kila Ronnie Nathaniels, kila Lito Takuhan, si Grace Basa, Romy Quintanar, Tito Talaw, Rudy Navarro, Rica Anchito Trinidad, Beth Celis, Lily Ramos, Chinito Hexon, Ed Andaya, Marilyn Inigo, Chito de Rebecca, Willie Hernandez, naalala niyo po si Joe Cantada, Fred Luarca, Antonio, si Dayo, Ding Marcelo, Tito Fernandez, Mr. Antonio, Ramon Vizdi.